It's completely dead. The switch is on. Only you can see the blinking lights. It's dead.
Can we not go?
Do some okay.
I forgot what this is. I have a ladder. Mine is a candy shop. What is yours? Right, this is the space. Mine is the Barbie center.
All dead. This really. And this. That is the positive and black. White is negative. This is negative. This is positive. I have to put it like that. It's connected. Then this one will touch the this.
And they're all.
Wait for 2 minutes. Hegalani. Maybe it will start again. Start.
Okay.
Okay, lights are on.
What do you have in here?
Not starting. It will take few more minutes.
Some minion stuff. Who wants some donuts? Next time I'm gonna think
Already 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Hegalani. Okay.
Where's my buckle open? It's still stuck.
Laguni aji habo start. Chalo ghar. How start? The battery is completely drained out. You can see this is the blinking one. If it has to be continuously grow, then it has to be stay here. But in this case, it is blinking and it's completely drained out. So I have to charge it again and try. For a new battery, 2015 Honda Civic 1.4 1.8L primary battery. I'm checking in interested batteries, which normally Costco sells. It costs, there's recommending two batteries, MT51R and M51R. Better, good. This is 24 months. This is an 18 months warranty. And the price is 150 and 120 around. But I heard Costco is selling this one around 90. But I need to see. This is the Costco website. As you can see, 2015 Honda Civic L4 primary battery. It is listing me 76.99 as opposed to 150.95. I think that is the same battery, MT51R. It doesn't say so though. It just says 51 hour. This is also 51 hour, but it is empty or M? Interstate, how do I know? M. Group size 51 hour, group size 51 hour. 5, here it says 5-year warranty. Group size, it only says 51 hour. There is no other information available. So that part I don't know which one they are selling, but definitely price is 76. Even if we go on this one, this is actually 120 and this is 76, so this is like around $45 less. Battery pura charge ho jai chhe, solid green, and current time is 4:25, around 12:30 basically. So 4 hours it took to charge. ଏବେ ଯିବା କାରକୁ ରିଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ମାରିବା. Just have to wait for 4:58. Maybe I'll wait for 5 o'clock and I'll give a start. So it is charging now for around 4 minutes. Let's give it a try. Put the car key. Charged. I need to remove the connections. मुझे गाड़ी स्टार्ट होगा कि नहीं जाना है. Let's see. हाँ स्टार्ट है वाला. That's a good thing. Time to go home.